Horvat Anim is associated with Anim, an Iron Age site, which appears in the Old Testament, Joshua 15:50, and with a Jewish settlement, Ania, from the Roman and Byzantine period. At the summit of the ruins rises a fortress built during the Iron Age, 7th to 9th century BC, which was part of the Judean kingdom fortification array. Adjacent to the fort is a Byzantine synagogue, 4th to 7th century AD. At the site are dozens of excavated caves enclosed by fences, which were used for living as well as for agriculture, beginning in the Byzantine period and coming to an end during the Ottoman period. The Arch Cave, a structure built for dwelling made of two subterranean rooms, which looks like caves, with a joint yard with an arched exterior built of field stones comprised of two stone arches. Hinges for the door. In the yard are some installations. Place for a grinding stone and a furnace. This was in use during the Muslim period of 8th to 9th century AD. So this is the olive oil installation. These are weights that pressed on the basket. And this area has a lot of vineyards. It's 700 meters above sea level and it's cool, and so it has advantages for growing vineyards and good wine. There's an aqueduct that took the water aside into cisterns. Water was reserved for the dry season. These are remains of the synagogue. It was built during the Byzantine period, 4th to the 7th century AD, and included a prayer hall, entrance and yard. The direction of the rectangular hall is south to north. Under the stone tile floor were the remains of a mosaic floor from the earlier stages of the synagogue. The bimah on which the ark was installed was uncovered at the northern end of the hall and was aligned with the direction of Jerusalem. A single stone bench was built along the western wall. This is a capital and a column. Direction north towards Jerusalem. residential house. Underground. And there is a fortress here on the high end of Horvat Anim with observation of all sides. The fort has a square plan, 21.5 by 21.5 meters, built during the Iron Age, 7th to the 9th century BC. It is on the top of the hill.